Hey everyone, I'm Avinash and I've been a software engineer for more than 5 years now. During that time, like most engineers, I've gone through interview preparation multiple times. Sometimes when switching roles, sometimes just to stay sharp. And after going through that cycle a few times, one thing about it started bothering me: the way we actually prepare for interviews. See, most of the time, the process looks almost the same. You pick a roadmap or a sheet, start solving problems, watch explanations, and slowly move toward different topics. To be fair, this approach does work. If you put in enough time and practice consistently, you will improve. But the experience itself still feels a bit messy. Like you have to decide what to study next, and you have to decide you have to figure out like what you are actually weak at. You have to remember to revise things you solved weeks ago. And if you miss a few days because life gets in the way, it's very easy to lose momentum. Then there's the learning itself. Watching videos can help, but a 30 minutes video does not always mean 30 minutes of real attention. And solving hundreds of problems definitely improves you, but sometimes it turns into pattern recognition instead of actually thinking through the problem. So the question that kept coming back to me was pretty simple: can this process be made a little easy or better? Something where you don't have to constantly manage everything yourself, like what to practice next, what to revise, when to revise, and whether you're actually improving. That question is what eventually led me to start building Levelop. The idea behind Levelop is not to create another roadmap or another list of problems. There are actually very good resources already out there, right? What I wanted to explore instead was a different way of learning, one where you actively work through problems, reflect on how you approach them, and gradually build, a stronger problem-solving ability. So, on the coding side, the focus on Level Up is not just about writing code that passes a test case. The goal is to understand how you reason about a problem, right? And where your thinking needs improvement currently. On the system design side as well, the idea is similar. Instead of jumping directly into the architecture of it, we break it down into smaller steps, like understanding the requirement, thinking about the scale, and learning the relevant concepts. Then finally applying, that on a canvas. So the emphasis is always on thinking through the problem, not just seeing the answer. In this video, I just wanted to explain why Level Up exists and what direction we are trying to move in. In the next video, I'll walk you through the platform itself, how the onboarding works, how the coding tasks are structured, and how the system design practices and exercises are, right? So thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one. If you are able to relate to the things which I said in this video, make sure to check the link in the description below. I'm sure it will definitely help you. Thank you and have a nice